how to stop dry coughs immediately. The medicine which you buy in the stores are often really expensive and don't contain much of them in it. So I'm going to be showing you how to make your own medicine at home for free, and you probably have all the ingredients at home already. So you'll need 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 piece of ginger, or like an inch of it, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon, and finally 1 teaspoon of pepper, powdered, just like in this picture. So let's get started. First you'll have to boil your water for 5 to 7 minutes, and then grate your ginger and add that in, along with powdered pepper. Then let it to cool down and then strain it. It should look like this in the picture, and then you're finished. So here are some tips, tricks and information which you probably didn't know. For best results, drink this every day. Drink this up to 3 times a day. Ginger is good for coughs and colds. This will reduce coughing and spluttering. Pepper powder helps relieve coughs. Honey doesn't have any side effects. And lemon helps with dry coughs and soothing throats. Subscribe to our channel. Bye!